Hi, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a planner. It's a Mercury planner for 2019 and I happened to pass by kanina sa Mercury kasi may bibilhin ako. It's actually walang kwentang bag. Pero gusto ko talagang bibilhin yun. So, habang nagbayad ako sa counter, I happened to see the planner which is the 2019 Mercury planner nga. And it says na, it shows that I just need 35 points para ma-redeem yung planner. So, I asked the cashier if it's really true. And then, sabi niya nga na, totoo nga daw, 35 lang. So, happened na meron akong 36 suki points. So, I decided na i-redeem na yung planner. So, this is the planner. So, I'm going to open it. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so excited to open this baby. Because I'm really collecting Starbucks stickers because I like the travel organizer planner, but it can be too pricey, and my friend is also collecting the stickers and I want to help her, but you know, it's 18 stickers. Even though I ordered the tall one, I still going to spend almost 2,000 or 2,000. But then here, for this specific planner, since every 200 pesos you purchase, you will have one suki point, you will just spend around 7,000. But I didn't spend anything on this one because I already have 35 points, so I just redeem it. And yeah, let's proceed on passing this because I'm talking too much. So let's just open this. I'm so excited. As if I'm going to use this planner. I'm just excited because I'm using it for the month of January, and then after that I won't use it anymore because I'm lazy. I'm a lazy bitch. Wow. Eti wow. So yeah. Dun 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 dun. I'm going to open this. Wow. Oh! Mahulog siya. Joyful playbook. I love the color. This is my favorite color. Color blue. Favorite color of all time. So, it has a garter here. It has a garter and what looks like when you open it, the same as the cover, I think. But ito color white and then ito color blue. So, just open it. So, it's a blank page, as you can see. And then, another Joyful Playbook 2019 writing. And maraming kakanahan. Finding joy, even the littlest moments, is a great way to live a brighter and healthier life. And then, your personal information. And the message from Mercury. And their social media, keme. And then calendar for 2018, 20, and 2019. And of course, the holidays. Holidays. And then, it's just, I don't know what you can call this. It's just calendar. It's a calendar, I think. Calendar. Another quotations. And yeah, blank space. And quotable quotes again. Quotable quotes. I think I suck at unboxing, but I like doing unboxing. Okay, miss. 60-day mood tracker. It's practically like really a notebook. Yeah, it's a notebook. And may mga ano-ano lang siya. Kemerut na ganyan. Ah! Ganyan. Um, my quiz, I think. Or, ano ba to? Bucket list? Or, whatever. New Year's resolution. There's a game here. Yeah. A game. And it's like snake and ladder. Because there's a ladder there. Yeah, mali pa yung tinuturo ko. There's a ladder. Mhm. Yeah, practically it's just a notebook. And there's a secret packet, or no, it's not a secret. There's a packet there where you can stick anything, whatever you like. And put your money, your notes, I don't know, whatever you like. I think it can be useful when I start learning Korean, because I want to learn Korean. And I don't have notebook for that. I have a small notebook actually, but I think I want a bigger one. But let's see what I'll do with this notebook. Basta, pero ngayon, I'm happy that I have this. But I think I'll still collect the Starbucks sticker, because the stickers, rather. Because I like the organizer, because I can put my phone there and my earphones. And it has the grid, calendar grid. Although I won't be using that either. I know there's no grid on that travel organizer. It's practically like a notebook again. So maybe I'll just stare at this one, because I'm not going to use this. I'll just stare at this one because it's color blue. So that's all. That's the unboxing. I hope you like it. And yeah, so I only have one, because I only have 36 points. But yeah, at least I got my favorite color blue. So that's all. Bye.